with your permission, if you don't mind, if you recall, when George W. Bush in 2005, in his inaugural speech, he made a declaration. He made a declaration that the United States would support democratic movements around the world, and that they would not support any oppressor, nor they would ignore any oppressor, and that they would not forgive any oppressor. But I can't blame anyone, because every nation has its own priorities and national interests, but probably George W. Bush forgot about his declaration and gave a red carpet treatment to General Pervez Musharraf, and things then changed. And that also changed. You see, the reason why I'm saying this is that the people of Pakistan are extremely resilient. They have struggled